Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Canva money. First, consider selling Canva templates. You can design unique, editable templates for social media, presentations, or even printables like planners. Platforms such as Etsy are excellent marketplaces to showcase your creations. With a bit of creativity, you can build a steady stream of passive income, reaching thousands of potential customers looking for ready-to-use designs. Another fantastic way to earn is by becoming a Canva contributor. If you have original photos, graphics, or videos, you can submit them to Canva's content library. Each time another user incorporates your content into their designs, you earn royalties. This offers a wonderful opportunity for passive income, allowing your creative assets to work for you around the clock, reaching millions of global users. Third, leverage your Canva skills to offer design services to clients. Many businesses and individuals need help with logos, social media graphics, or full branding packages. You can use Canva's powerful tools to create professional designs quickly and efficiently. Platforms like Upwork or Fiverr are great places to find clients and build a strong portfolio, turning your design passion into profit. Finally, consider creating and selling digital products designed entirely in Canva. Think about ebooks, planners, workbooks, or even digital art. Canva provides all the tools you need to make these products look professional and appealing. You can then sell them through your own website, an e-commerce store, or platforms like Gumroad, generating income from your unique digital creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.